shorter. 2 dimes and a nickel also equal a quarter. I bought 1 delicious dill pickle for 2 dimes, a quarter, and a nickel. To find out how much I spent, I counted them up cent by cent. I started with a quarter, it was worth 25 cents. Each dime was worth 10, so I added both of them. Got 35, 45. And then there was a nickel. I added 5 and paid 50 cents for the pickle. 1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. I bought an ice cream in the summertime with 4 pennies, 3 quarters, and a dime. The ice cream lady looked in silence, and then she counted up my cents. She counted 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75. Then she added the dime. The 10 cents made 85, and the 4 pennies left made it 89. So it was 89 cents for the ice cream. I ate until my shirt popped at the seam. 1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents.
On the penny is the 16th president, Abraham Lincoln. He wrote the Gettysburg Address and the Emancipation Proclamation. The 3rd president, Thomas Jefferson, he's on a nickel, all 5 cents. He was the main author of the Declaration of Independence. The dime has Franklin Delano Roosevelt, President 32. He instituted the New Deal and led America through World War II. Finally, on the quarter was the 1st president, George Washington. He was the commander-in-chief during the American Revolution.
1 penny is worth 1 cent. 1 nickel's worth 5 of them. 1 dime has a value of 10. 1 quarter's worth 25 cents. 5 pennies make a nickel. In cents it's worth 5. 2 nickels make 10 cents. That means they're worth a dime. A quarter's 25 pennies. But let's make it shorter. 2 dimes and a nickel also equal a quarter.
Oh no. I thought he was gonna buy another.
Visit numberrock.com.
Alright, so today, what I would like you to do is you are going to finish from yesterday your independent practice. So you are going to practice counting the coins and counting on. Start with the biggest and cross off. Remember that one group that crossed off today? That is probably what you want to do. Start with your quarter, and I'm going to leave these on the board. Start with your quarter, cross off, write 25, and then keep counting on. So I want to see if you can do number 3 and 4 by yourself. Then on number 5, it says to draw and label the coins from the greatest to the least. Why don't you just cross off again and count them, and then get your answer, okay? Now, on the back, normally we do the problem solving and not the brain builders, but the problem solving. I'm not going to do that today with you because I want us to keep going. So you have 2 choices. You can cross this off or you can leave it blank, but you do not have to do it. Okay? Then when you get done with that, I'm going to have you do most of this on your own. The vocabulary you can do on your own because you guys can read this. A coin that has a value of 25 cents is a, what is it, guys? Quarter. This is easy, and Mrs. Murphy will leave this on the board. Okay, and I'm going to put those up. I want to tell you one problem I have. So, remember I made these? And do you remember where I had them?
Up there.
Okay, but guess what?
They keep on falling.
Well, I had them up here, and I had the penny there, and guess what happened to it?
It dropped.
It dropped.
It hid?
And I can't get it.
I know how to.
So I'm not going to put these up. I'm going to put these up instead, okay? But I will try to make a new penny, and I'll try to get it, but it's way down there.
We can help. You can get it with your big ruler.
I have a problem solved yet. So I gotta figure out a way to get it out. But I'm gonna put those up until I get the penny out, okay? So I will leave those up there, but you will do your vocabulary check. Then, count the money. We're practicing counting money. And let's do the brain builders together now, because we're gonna do these two together. So will you go to check my progress? Go to number 9 and 10.
I think Miss Johnson's hearing us on what we were
It kind of
doing.
sounds like that, doesn't it?
It's probably about to eat.
Okay. Now, we're going to do 9 and 10 together on the check my progress. But the rest of it you're going to do on your own, because these are kind of tricky. On number 9, it says to draw a picture to help you solve. What is the value of the coins shown? So, you only need one. Put one on my desk, please. I see that. Okay, so what do you think? When it says draw a picture, what do you think they mean by that? What do you think, Addie? What do you think?
You have 3 nickels?
3/4. So let's draw 3/4. And so you either can put Q's or what could you put in that? 25. Mrs. Murphy doesn't care if you put 25 or with the Q's. Yep, put one of them. Now, I have 1 dime. So I have 1 D. Do I have any nickels? No. So let's draw no nickels. How many pennies do I have? 2. So let's draw 2 pennies. Okay, now, whether you put the letters or the numbers, let's count. All right, here we go. Count with Mrs. Murphy. Ready?
25, 50, 75, 85, 86, 87.
So I have 87 cents here. Okay, make sure you're on this one. Right, what Mrs. Murphy has. Okay, number 10. Here's a test practice. Mila needs 55 cents to buy a bag of popcorn. Which coins should she use? Should she use 2 quarters, a quarter penny nickel, a quarter nickel, or a quarter penny? So it's 55 cents. What do you think, Wyatt? What do you think? You are right. You need a quarter, that'd be 25, 50, and then a nickel would be 5 more. So that would be 55 cents. So that is the one that you want. All right, you are going to finish your review. Finish your paper from yesterday, the independent practice. Then when you get done, you have 4 choices. IXL math, P1, P2, P3 on money. ARV, finish your handwriting if you didn't get to it this morning, or kids A to Z. Those are your 4 choices until 1 o'clock. Okay, go ahead and go.